This black ring on your vehicle, called tire, that can carry tons of weight, survive heat, and grip the road at high speed. How is it made? Tires begin far from factories, in rubber plantations. Farmers tap rubber trees, collecting a milky liquid called latex. But natural rubber alone isn't enough. Factories mix it with synthetic rubber, carbon black, sulfur, and oils to create strength, flexibility, and durability. All these materials are poured into massive machines, where they're heated and blended into a thick, black compound. This is the foundation of every tire. A tire isn't just one piece. It's built in layers. Inner liner that holds air inside. Fabric layers that add strength and flexibility. Steel belts that provide durability and shape. And tread, the part that touches the road. Each layer has a specific job. Now the magic begins. A tire building machine assembles all parts, layer by layer, into a shape that looks like a tire. At this stage, it's called a green tire. That is soft, flexible, but not ready for the road yet. The green tire is placed into a mold, where it's heated under extreme pressure. This process is called vulcanization. It transforms the rubber, making it strong, elastic, and heat-resistant. At the same time, the tread pattern is stamped onto the tire. Every tire is carefully inspected. Machines is checked for weak spots, air leaks, and balance issues, because at high speeds, even a small defect can be dangerous. After passing all tests, the tire is ready for use. From a liquid sap to a high-performance product, built to carry your car safely on every journey. Next time you see a tire, remember it's not just rubber, it's engineering. Follow for more amazing how it's made stories.